Good afternoon. Welcome to you all on post-result media interactions. We have just declared our 31st December 23 quarter ending results. So I will discuss about the performance and then we will have a question answer. Business of the bank grew by 11% and stood at 11.64 lakh crore is on 31st December 2023. Under business, the deposit has grown by 10% and reached to 6.54 lakh crore. Under deposit, the CASA has grown by 8% and then CASA saving bank deposit has grown by 7% and current by 12%. And the advances have grown by 13%. Under advances, RAM, retail, agri and MSME has grown by 13%. So total advances grown by 13%, RAM grown by 13%. Under RAM, retail grown by 14%. Agriculture grown by 16% and MSME grown by 7.5%. So under retail, housing loan has grown by 13%, auto loan has grown by 47%, personal loan grown by 30%. Under agri also, the gold loan has grown by 28%, agri allied has grown by 59%, SSG has grown by 35%, and under MSME, the micro has grown by 18%, small grown by 2%. So there is a growth in all segments, whether retail, agri, MSME, and under retail in all components, whether housing loan or auto loan or personal loan, likewise in agriculture, whether it is a crop loan or a gold loan or investment credit or SLG credit or agri allied, likewise in MSME as well. So that was the growth of the bank. Now I am coming to the profitability numbers. Operating profit of the bank has grown by 1% on a YOY basis, and in 9 months ended, it is grown by 11%. Net profit of the bank has grown by 52% on a quarter ended December 23, and also 52% in 9-month period ended of December 23. So a growth in operating profit and a net profit is because of the growth in NII, net interest income. For a 9 months period, the NII has grown by 17%, and in the quarter it is grown by 6%. Other than NII, the non-interest income too has grown by 11% in the quarter ended December and 9% for the 9 months period. So if you go non-interest income, the fee income has grown by 21% on a December quarter, and 9 months it is grown by 13%. In addition to the fee income, that the profit on sale of investment has grown by 75% on a quarter ended and around 103% in a 9 months period ended. Likewise, the PSLC income has also grown from 40 crore of the December 22 to 167 crore, the 318%, and on a 9 month period it has grown by 11%. So in the bank, the NII is growing, the other income is growing, other income, previous income is growing, the trading profit is growing, the PSLC income is growing. So virtually all components of the income of the bank is growing. Next. So as you know that this time bank has made a at IBA level the base settlement has been signed at 17%. So bank is provided full 17%. Bank has also provided around 250 crore odd for the pension benefit increase due to the 17% increase in the base bill on an estimated basis. All other expenditures are grown as the business of the bank has grown. So the profitability of the bank has increased. Now we are coming to the how the margins of the banks are playing out. So net interest margin of the bank was 3.49%. Domestic is against 3.52%. As you know that earlier, because we are moving in an increasing interest scenario, so the benefit of interest increase will first pass on to advances and the liabilities. When the liabilities get repricing, naturally the margin will come down. But as a 9 months period, you see, is against the last year net interest margin of 3.41%. In a December 9 months, we were at 3.54%. Is against 3.35% of the last year. And you see the return on asset of the bank continuously is about 1%. The last quarter it is 1.11%, and a 9 months period it is a 1.04%. Likewise, ROE, return on equity, is close to 20%. Last time it was 19.90%, now it is 19.92%, and in the 9 months period 19.25%. As you know, we have raised the capital of 4,000 crore in the quarter ended December 23. So as far as capital position is concerned, we are at a 15.58% capital adequacy, of which Tier 1 is at 12.36 and 12.88, of which CET is 12.36. If we add a profit of the 9 months, we have not added profit here, it is around 17.11%. So bank is adequately capitalized, and that is that after the having the impact of 57 basis because of the RBI guideline where the risk rates have been increased for the NBFCs and that's it. Next. And now this is below 75% is against 79.84% prior to that. The asset quality, the gross NPA and the net NPA of the bank is continuously coming down. So is against the 4.97% gross NPA in September, we are today 4.47, the 57 bps. Likewise, the net NPA, which was 0.60% in September, is now 0.53%. So we all were saying that our recovery will be better than our slippage. So in the current quarter also the recovery is 2,589 and the slippage is 1,667. So in a 9 month period, the total recovery was 6,780 crores and the slippage is 5,500 crores. So our recovery is more than slippage, resulting our to share the digital details.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, friends on print and digital media. As last time also we told, the bank is already. Good afternoon, friends on print and digital media. As last time also we told, the bank has already started many digital initiatives. Here, if I start with the first slide, the mobile banking transactions now are close to 23.53 crore per month, and then the mobile banking app is at 4.3, the rating, one of the best rating in the industry. And the digital journeys, this quarter we have done 15 journeys, and last quarter it was 12. So put together, bank has completed 78 journeys. Bank is working on these two strategies. One is providing various digital channels to the customers. Then second is onboarding those customers on these channels and then increasing the number of users. If I show you this net banking, debit card, mobile banking, POS, UPI, BHIM, Aadhaar, UPI, QR, credit card, all these digital channels are available for us. Whereas the mobile banking users has gone up by 47%, plus 108 lakh last financial year December 22, now it is 159. And transactions have gone up by 26% from 1.38 to 1.72. Users in UPI have gone up by 38% from 1.19 crore to 1.64 crore. And the transactions have gone up from 50 crore to 93 crore, which is YOY 72%. And the net banking, the YOY user growth is 38%, debit card 10%, credit card 19%, UPI QR code has gone up by 311%. Because this is the one area where we are focused, and it is 8.78 lakhs to now the UPI has gone to 36 lakhs. And even the POS also we have increased from 40,770 to 21,725. If I talk about the transactions, it has now the digital transactions, the migration from 83.7, which was December 22, it was 83%. Now it has gone up by 87%, and in quarter-on-quarter basis also it has gone up by 1%. Then coming back to the various digital journeys, if I talk about the business, the growth in business every quarter-on-quarter it is going up. Last December it was 2,875 crore. Now December 23, as on the December 23 is 52,884 crore. So as last quarter also we were telling that we will be touching 7 to 8 times of the last year, but it is going to be close to 70,000 crore by the financial year end. Same day it is growing in RAM as well as in each of the category deposit also. When talk about the quarter-on-quarter growth, the left chart you can see the every quarter the growth is there. Coming back to the number of the various quarter-on-quarter journeys launched, we have launched in December the 9 from the retail lending platform and 6 from others. So total 15 were launched, and generally we are targeting another 7 to 8 journeys launched are planned for the next quarter also. Apart from that, bank has taken various digital initiatives. As we have told the last meeting also, digital lending platform has been brought omni-channel, which is our new mobile banking app, which are going to be launched for the customers in the first or second week of April, which is already in use with the closed user group in the bank. 40,000 employees are doing it. The latest thing, which apart from this last quarter, which we have done, we have come up with the EOTS up to 10 lakh rupees, where the customer sitting at home also, who is or his the NPA is there, when sitting at home also they can close their account up to 10 lakh rupees of OTS. Then we have the death claim settlement form, the portal also is a new thing. Then branch center server centralization is completed. So these are the couple of new initiatives I am sharing it with you. Apart from that, I request the MD and CEO to take it forward.
So besides this, the current financial year we opened around 57 branches. We have told that we opening 100 branches. So far we opened around 57 branches. Besides banks, our subsidiaries, RRBs are also doing equally good. So our joint venture, Universal Home Insurance Company, had a net profit of 171 crore in a 9-month period. December 23 is against 133 crore the last year. So growing at a rate of 33%. Our subsidiary in bank, merchant banking has also made a profit of 6.4 crore, is against 2.85 crore the last. Likewise, about 3 RRBs. Tamil Nadu Grama Bank, Saptagiri Gramin Bank, and Pudurai Gramin Bank. So they are also net profit has grown by 28%. The businesses have grown by 16%. Their operating profit has grown by 13%, and the net profit by 28%. And the net NPA of these 3 banks are 0. And totally we are having 944 branches. Of these, all 3 RRBs. The bank has been awarded the most preferred workplace in BFSI sector for FY24 by Marksman Daily. Bank is also awarded for use of emerging technology in BFSI for production of cloud computing for AIX environment. So there is some large banks this year. So we are open for
Congratulations sir, for fabulous financial performance once again. I would now like to open the forum for media Q&A. Would request our media friends to introduce themselves first before asking a question, please.